greasy dirt is always the most difficult to get rid of. Remove even the most stubborn greasy stains easily with FILA NOSPOT. It's very simple to use. Shake the bottle well, then spray FILA NOSPOT from a distance of about 15 centimeters, covering the stain completely. Leave to dry for a few minutes. A fine white powder will form and capture the dirt. Brush this off and then wipe with a damp cloth. See the results straight away. It works immediately, even on the most stubborn stains. FILA NOSPOT leaves no trace and guarantees excellent results, even on untreated surfaces, and its spray trigger makes it really easy to use. It removes grease and oily stains from any absorbent surface. FILA NOSPOT, the stain remover for the most stubborn grease. Available from FILA stockists.